How's your health?
My health is good, thank you.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've traveled to USA.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to stay active and exercise.
What's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Sahi Ali Baga.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I'm a fan of Pakistani cricket team.
What's your favorite drama?
My favorite drama is Kuda or Mohabbat.
Are you a morning or night person?
I'm more of a night person.
What's your dream vacation spot?
I'd love to visit Mecca.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Manal.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books in morning.
How do you like to relax?
I like to relax by playing games.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes, I met once a celebrity.
Do you have any upcoming plans?
Yes, I'm planning to launch my brand.